It wouldn't be authentic for me to only showcase wins because house flipping, like any other real estate investing strategies, has its wins and its losses. Our process still wins 90% of the time, but today, let's tour a deal where I broke even on earlier in the year. The front yard was pretty simple. It was just some gravel and dead grass. We replaced it with new turf to add color. And on the house exterior, it was painted a medium blue color that was bright and not neutral. We replaced it with a light gray color and black door to make it pop. We also replaced some windows and the front door and modernized the entire frontage. Welcome inside. This living room was full of collectibles before, but now it's all cleared out. The witch, the wolf, and the nutcrackers, and we have it all clean. And also we put in new recessed lights to add a lot of lighting and repainted the interior and also replaced the flooring. I particularly like this little bench area with some storage, and also it would be a super cute place to read a book. Another noticeable detail is the 9-foot ceilings, which is very typical for craftsman style homes, and it makes the space feel a lot bigger. We also closed off a doorway that was here going into a bedroom because it doesn't give people privacy from the living room, and there are 2 doorways into that bedroom, so it wasn't necessary. The dining room is right next to the living room, and there was a built-in buffet that was here. We really tried to salvage it, but it was so old and not functional, so we had to take it out. This big window is bringing in a lot of natural light, and with this new chandelier, this space is plenty bright. And from the dining room to the kitchen, there was a wall here that made the kitchen fully enclosed. We decided to take it out to optimize the floor plan, and also because of that, we had to shift the kitchen from this side to the opposite side. So now we have a huge kitchen with a big island that's perfect for entertaining. With the new kitchen layout, we pretty much doubled the work surface and storage. And we also put in tall cabinets that really showcase the 9-foot ceilings, and all new stainless steel appliances with a hood here and a built-in microwave. I purchased this house together with the house next door, also a craftsman style home, and it turned out that it wasn't that great of an investment, and I actually lost a lot of money on the other house. If you want to learn what happened, check out this video here, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I showcase home renovation before and after and unique projects all the time. This first bedroom had a second entrance from the living room that we just talked about, and we decided to close it off, so now we have a lot more usable space in here. And we also put in a new ceiling light, repainted the walls, and also replaced the flooring. This guest bathroom was very awkwardly laid out. There was a tiny shower and then a tub, and the toilet was right in front of the door, and a small pedestal sink over here. We completely revamped the layout with a much bigger vanity, beautiful shower tiled with these elongated subway tiles in the herringbone pattern, and then also some storage towards the end. So now this bathroom is way more functional. This second bedroom had an old ceiling fan and very dark flooring. We replaced the light fixture and also the flooring and repainted the interior, and now it feels a lot more spacious. This primary bedroom is my favorite transformation in this entire home because it was such a chopped up space with a laundry room here and the doorway to the backyard. And then towards the end, there was also the door going into a half bathroom. And then on this side, there was a tiny little room that was like a zoo because there was a stuffed giraffe and a tiger. And then going from there into the next space is an oversized walk-in closet. So we combine these 4 different spaces into this large primary suite. Now it's really bright and inviting and super functional. This primary bathroom was enlarged from the tiny little half bath, and now it has all the fixtures and all the space, and it feels so big because it also has high ceilings. And the finishes are pretty much the same as the guest bathroom, but I think it's perfect to showcase the modern side of this home now. The backyard is so extensive. We have an oversized one-car garage and then large sheds in the back. And we removed a lot of the rocks from the back to put in this new putting green. And it's gonna be a really nice, enjoyable space for kids and adults. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. I'm really proud of it. But in terms of the numbers, it's not looking so pretty. As we're filming this video, the home is not sold yet. As I mentioned, I purchased this one as a package deal with the home next door, and the next door just sold for 1.5. So I'm thinking that I really have to adjust my expectations down. When I purchased this home, I bought it for 1.3 million and put in about 180,000 in the renovation. I thought it would sell for close to 1.8, but now I'm thinking it's probably going to be close to 1.6. And if that's the case, this is going to be a break even without any profit. But you live and you learn. I got a lot of valuable lessons from these 2 flips, and I will come out stronger. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.